The UK Supreme Court is situated here in Parliament Square in the heart of Westminster. But before 2009, the highest court of appeal used to sit in Parliament, in the House of Lords, on the other side of the square, where the judges were known as the Lords of Appeal in Ordinary, or more simply, Law Lords. The main concern with the highest court of appeal being in the House of Lords was due to what we call separation of powers. That's the executive, or government, that puts the law into practice. The legislature, that's Parliament, which makes primary law, such as Acts of Parliament, and the judiciary, which resolves legal disputes. In addition to hearing and deciding cases, the Law Lords sat in the House of Lords and were able to debate and vote in Parliament. This was increasingly seen as out of step with the principle of separation of powers. It's very important that judges are independent of, and seen to be independent of, Parliament and government. So, in 2005, the Constitutional Reform Act was passed to put the relationship between government, Parliament, and the judiciary on a modern footing, so justice could be seen to be done, and making it clear that the judicial system is independent. Today, the Supreme Court is totally separate from Parliament, working in a separate building. The justices take an oath to be impartial, that is, to be fair and unbiased. The court hears cases across all areas of law, and this includes challenges to decisions made by government. This is called judicial review. That's a type of court proceeding in which a judge reviews the lawfulness of a decision or action made by a public body, such as a local authority or government department. In judicial review, judges make decisions based on the law. They don't make policy or get involved in politics. That is for government and Parliament. Judicial review is only a small part of the work of the court. Although separate and with different roles, government, Parliament, and the courts share a common commitment to the maintenance of the law. The role of the courts in applying the law is an essential part of a healthy democracy. And, unlike the US Supreme Court, the UK Supreme Court does not review the legality of Acts of Parliament. This reflects one of the principles of the Constitution, that it is Parliament, not the court or the Constitution, which is supreme. Judicial independence and impartiality are vital parts of our democracy. It's important that justice can be seen to be done so the public knows and understands how and why decisions are made. That's why everyone has access to the Supreme Court, and anyone who wants to can come and watch a case. Thousands of people come and visit every year, or for those that live outside London, all our hearings and judgments are broadcast live, so they can be watched from anywhere in the world. Do come and visit or check out our website.